afternoon, evening, anywhere you do. I greet you, Nana Coco Baby. This now, thank you for the subscription so far. My new subscribers, thank you very much. I love you guys. My old subscribers, thank you very much for being part of my life. I appreciate the video I uploaded yesterday about this YouTube monetization. I thank everybody that responded, those that sent their comments, those that sent me message on my inbox, my messenger. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. I love Una. Una don't really show me love. I really appreciate. I want to talk about Pastor Ingila. The latest one now. This man don't come out with his own private jet. You know, say now na competition for this our pastors then. Now latest news we dey hear from them. When I mean latest news, we never hear say they go build schools for free or hospitals for free. Their own latest news no be say na for their members to dey happy. Na for their own self-interest alone. I know say if God dey alive, God no go fly. I mean to say, if God dey for this earth now, the way man of God they say God dey here, pay your money you are paying to God. If God dey for this e dey live for this earth, God no go dey fly private jets. Why people dey suffer? Because if God na selfish man, he no go send him only son Jesus to come die for us just like that. He send am despite say him son go collect pains, agony. He no even care. He say go and die for my children. Now your pastor no fit give you money to start business. He prefer to buy private jets. The founder of Living Faith get more than 3 private jets. Which kind of character all these pastors they display? If a senior pastors like that, the founder of Living Faith, and they all be big pastor like Oyedepo them and the Adeboye, then wetin they show these small pastors? If all of them now they won't come enter Guinness Book of Record, they won't enter the net, the richest pastor in the world. Wetin they show our younger pastors? Because they say now waiting papa and mama, our elderly people, the character made them get. Now we the children, they copy from them. If pastors, big pastors, may supposed to teach the younger ones how to take care of the poor in their ministry, they neglect those callings from God. Come they buy private jet upon private jet. What do you expect the younger pastors to learn? Apostle Johnson Suleiman just launched his own private jet not quite long. Now, Ingila, Pastor Joshua don't release his own yesterday. This is not the kind of characters pastors supposed to display. A pastor go get schools with expensive school fees. Their members cannot even afford the school fees. And when people like us open platform, they explain, they teach them, say your pastors don't like you, they don't even know whether they exist. They will come after us, begin to attack us, say now we be the devil, now we be the Antichrist, now we devil sent to destroy the work of God. Those work may your pastors they do, no be work of God. Now work of in own belly, he no send you now. Pastors now, what do they need private jet for? How many times they fly in a year? Now the private jet, now all their members go they use and no, now only them and their own family. Where did they go? To maintain those private jets, it costs money. Now money, millions of naira, now they go take they do that maintenance. And where the money go come from? From those moguls, fools may sit down for church, they pay money to another person's account. Una no see the account of God. The Jesus Christ may come die for una. Una no pay the money into the account of Jesus Christ. By taking care of the poor people, may they near you. You no say now waiting God, you go do for God. God go they move and bless you. Your pastor, they so arrogant. God is not even happy with the lifestyle our pastors are living. God can never ever fly private jets where poverty dey for that country. All Nigeria pastors now get private jets. Even the presidency, they don't even get private jet. Those people may they steal oil money, no get private jets. Those people may they get oil money, no get private jet. Pastors get private jets. Where did they get? They know even they are ashamed. Our Nigeria pastors are so shameless. You guys are so shameless. Una know even they hide una shame. Una know they hide una nonsense attitude. Una they let una members know say they be fool, but only say the members no even know because they don't blind. Now we more no dey for una ministry. Now we the pity, they cry for una members because they are senseless. You go dey happy for church. Hey, right on, Papa, because your pastor buy private jet. Your brain is stuck. You know the way hold up. May motor no go dey move. Now so some people brain just dey. Their brain no dey move again. Blood no dey flow. Everything just dey for one bag. Your pastors go dey progress. You go dey happy. If you progress, your pastor happy. Wetin go happen with that? Abi you no be human being. You no be anointed. God no create you the way he create your pastor. What makes your pastor so special than you? Because he dey collect your money, because you are a fool. Those people, they are not men of God. Men of God no go see you, do they suffer. Why in the happy? When I not see this other pastor, the founder of Dunamis, he no even take like some month ago how he take destroy all those business, those market people make the hustle, they sell one naira for near in church because of say the church get crowd. They just dey there, they sell, they get money. This man give instruction to make all of them, they wipe everybody, including woman made there for there, maybe say I own a Bibles she they sell, word of God. This man, they destroy, burn everything for there, for all those people made those traders. Because of waiting. Because they fear say before the church members go enter church, may they not use their money, take buy things, finish. They not go see money, pay tithe and offering. Because instead they sell Bible for inside in church, he don't want another person to hustle near there. And this kind of people now call the man of God. When I know it that they call man of God. The heart made these people get. Devil self no fit get, and devil of God no fit. Devil of man of devil, I mean, no fit get the kind of terrible hearts may our so-called men of God get. They are so evil. They are so terrible. And all of them, if you see the kind of smelling things may all these so-called pastors they do for behind secret. We hear about Ingilana recently again. May go meet one goddess. The goddess, they give her power. They tell the goddess, say, don't prophesy like this, don't prophesy like this. May the goddess make sure, say, the thing come to pass. A pastor get goddess may in the worship. And una go they worship the pastor. God of my pastor, save me. God of my pastor, you guys are fools. There is nothing like God of your pastor. Only one God. Nothing like God of your pastor. You don't know who your God, your pastor they worship. Your pastor they worship goddess from Marine Kingdom. You go they say God of your father. Things go they worse for you. Your life go they miserable. Your free children life no go they extend. They live untimely death. Don't finish all your family because they worship the God of your father and the God of your pastor. Your God, the God of your pastor, now God of Marine Kingdom, made that they use children, families, they do sacrifice. And now those pastors, now they worship their God. Your children no go live up to 40 years, they don't die. Because they worship the God of your pastor. The God of your pastor use all your children, they do sacrifice. You don't know. All those prayers, God of my pastor, make una stop them. Because your pastor know nothing about God. If you know something about God, you no go to buy private jets here and there. Why una they suffer? Ingila don't buy a home private jet now. All pastors don't buy. Before you know now. So many people now don't begin to do all kinds of rubbish. Then catch criminals the other day. Wetin happen? They say they won't use the money to go open church. Now church they won't use and go open. To tell una say everybody now don't run the entire church. Our Yahoo boys now don't enter church. Native doctors don't turn to pastors. Yahoo don't turn to pastors to Yahoo boys because of say they don't think and see and say pastors they are living. I know they jealous them. Oh. I know say no be bad thing, no be bad thing say somebody enjoy you. But how you go they only you now go they enjoy for where multitude of people they gather the money give you, but only you just use the money they enjoy. Those people they no get life. They no feel enjoy the same thing you they enjoy. You call them your children, they call you papa, daddy. But you know they do what you supposed to do for them as papa may you be. You only una home now to buy private jet upon private jet. The founder of Living Faith, that man, may voice be like I don't know what I go talk. He go they even they brag, they join himself. He say Jesus Christ tell him say he make agreement with Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ saying go bless him, bless him. Jesus Christ not tell you saying go bless your members. Only you, then Jesus Christ say una sign agreement say he go bless you more than bless. You are a goat. If I talk, some people go say I dey curse the men of God. I know even men of God make una no verse if I curse una. Now una members now they curse me, they no get sense. They get problem, they never solve their problem. They go they save money for pastor hand, make pastor go take buy private jet. Their children never pay school fees, but they go sow seed. They go pay tithe and offering. Some go sell their buildings, sell their houses, their expensive or important property make them get just to contribute to pastor lifestyle. You are a fool. You are a fool. Your pastor no fit give you prayer for free. Thank God say Nigeria don't they wake up nowadays. The other pastor for church, he call up all his members come outside, make them come sow seed. Nobody came out. I was so happy when I watched that video. Nigeria, una don't begin they wake up. Make una begin they wake up. Wake up Africa. Wake up Nigerians. Help your brothers and sisters. Help your family members. Help poor people on the street. Now be say you don't help God. You must not give unto your pastor. Who them be? May not only then get the right to chop your money. Who them be? They are not anointed. We all are anointed. Don't be deceived by their suits. Don't be deceived by their shine shoe. Don't be deceived by their haircuts. Don't be deceived by their appearance. Don't be intimidated. Don't be intimidated by their English, all those their grammar, na caricature. Don't let a black man like you, your own brother, to fool you, deceive you to the extent maybe say, now you they give her money to do anything for in life. Why you are not okay? You are starving yourself just to please your pastor. Don't let their dressing, their appearance deceive you or intimidate you. They are nothing. They are not precious. They are not special. We all are the same, created from God. God nine creators. God created us equally. Nobody is above any person. Anywhere you want to be, now you go carry yourself put. The pastors don't carry themselves put for higher level. No be say them they special. The Bible, they no even sabi read them. When Daddy Freeze came out, come say, may all of them come, make them do Bible quiz. Bible competition, may everybody come. They ran because they know say they don't even know to for Bible. They are just deceiving una because una by una self, una no know anything by una self, una be olodo. Pastors na olodos them be. None of them go school. Na few na go school. Even the school made them go self. God, no be school say they go read Bible. Bible you can sit down, study and by yourself. Don't be deceived by all these caricature pastors. Hungry men may don't turn to pastors. Babalawo may don't turn to pastors. Ritualists may don't turn to pastors. Don't be deceived by their appearance. Don't let their appearance to intimidate you. They are nothing but I don't even know where I'm waiting. I won't even call these people safe. I just the verse. Pastor Ngila, you don't buy private jet, Abi. Congratulations for you. Use that your private jet. Go they carry your South African woman. You leave your woman with children for America. Una don't do. You don't make the woman now go do court marriage. Now una arrange about herself. She marry somebody. Now una don't say, hey, now the reason why you leave her this or that or because you define where you go take give her bad name before. You know, you don't buy private jet now. Your wife there for America. Only God know how she take they survive. You carry winch, another winch woman for South Africa. May it come from Mami Water Kingdom. You say na be your wife. You call yourself pastor. You dey marry 2 wives. Original, no be say one a secret. You marry the 2 of them officially, and you are a pastor. You know, demote yourself. We dey talk your matter never finish for social media. You go buy private jets. Crazy, dey worry all of una. Poor people dey for una ministry. Una dey buy private jets. All the matter may dey for grand. Mona take the carry was small children. Even the one me Suleiman do with Stephanie. We never talk all those ones finish. Una never clear them for us. Una they run, they go, they buy private jets. Una go say God they bless una. No be God they bless una. Now una foolish members. Now they bless una. They're supposed to use the money, bless their life. But they don't even know how to use money. They don't know how to touch lives with their money. Very soon, social media they now. They don't begin, they get brain, say una they deceive them. Very soon. Very soon, those private jet me all of una they buy, una go begin to sell am when una go lack money to maintain am. No money for maintenance, una go begin to sell all those private jets. Instead of una to get schools, if you get primary school for free, or maybe then they pay lesser money, or you get hospitals. You know what it be hospitals? Hospitals and preaching are the same thing. When you preach and pray for the person, your prayer no fit treat the person completely because na prayer na fake. You go direct the person to your hospital. Your nurses and doctor go continue from there. Even if the person go bring small money, na they deceive and say pray. Prayer cannot do anything. See the only prayer made they change life for this life. Now be the prayer of doctors, nurses. If you get malaria, they go treat them. Now the best prayer be that. You get cancer, whatever you get, doctor go remove them for you. Now be the best prayer. So pastors, make una stop the deceive una self. Una prayer no fit do anything. Make una use those prayer and the money me una they get from the foolish people. Do hospitals for them. They go appreciate them more. Forget all these prayers. It's far. Whoa. Stop deceiving yourself. Use those prayer money you get from those foolish people. Get primary health care for them. They go appreciate them more. Your name go viral more. People go pray for you. We go they advertise for una. Make people they come that church to pay their tithe and offering because una they use and they do waiting God indeed. When white men brought this Christianity religion stuff to Africa, they bring them, they give una schools. Most of all these stupid criminal pastors, now the schools may white men bring come, may una come enter for free. Now make una get the brain. Now when I tell they deceive people, they collect money. They bring schools and hospitals, do everything for free. Una don't change them now. To those people no do they don't even speak in tongue. Una don't turn into speaking in tongue. Una get schools, when they teach people how to speak in tongue. Collect money. White men no bring her like that. Because if they bring her like that, una no go even get the opportunity. Una no get the money that time. Everything, they brought everything for free of charge. Now, if una won't pray for person, una go collect money. The prayer, may una go pray. It depends on how the person bring money. If you bring dollars, the prayer go get weight. The prayers go be like thunder 9 strike. If you bring naira, may no plenty. You go just say, may the Lord bless you. You just collect the money because the money no move you. Yeah, people. Now they gonna buy private jets here and there. Every pastor now, you won't go toilet now. You go fly private jet, carry and go. You won't go meet your girlfriend. You go carry people money, may they don't gather for you, buy private jet. You go use that, they go the fuck at Nyash for Canada, for different country. You go fly private jets, go carry wap, Ashawo, carry titan offering, give them. I no blame una now. Una get opportunity now. Conceive fools may they give una the kind of lifestyle may una no even deserve. Una no deserve. Instead of una to they contribute una money given to government, make government give una work, create jobs for una, do things for una. Una prefer to give to pastors. Pastors no go do anything for una, but una like and like that. Government may they do something for una. Una go they attack government. Any person may they attack government, say Nigeria government no try, they no do this. Now thunder may go strike una, because una pastor may they collect from una, no they give una anything. Prayer may they give una na empty prayer. Una no swear for them. Una go dey swear for government. Government wall una. Dem wall una. Government wall una money. Una work for their company. Make dem no pay una. But your pastor, you go clean in chair. You go cook food, give her. If they do buy day, una dey there, they cook food for her. In wife won't travel, una carry luggages, put for bag for her. If they come back, now go welcome them for airport. Una go they do like fools. They know they pay una salary. Government, una come they tell government say, if they wall una this, if they wall una that. Government no they wall una anything. Una go hustle. Contribute your money, give her to government. Other government no go build school for una. Una go dey drag una right. It's my right. I'm my right. When you reach your pastor church, you no get right. You are a slave to your pastor. But when you come outside, you go say government, make you owe government for shit. Make they come pay you your money, make they owe you. All of una na zero. At the verse, make una no verse jare. May I stop for this place? My people, how it be? Make una take am like that, eh? Na small thing they make me verse. Especially when I wake up in the morning. Make I never brush teeth. I dey verse where. So now so it just be. Make una take her like that. Ingila, congratulations for you, eh? You don't buy private jets. Congratulations. Apostle Johnson Suleiman, my boyfriend, congratulations. And all the pastors may don't get, and may go still get, because I know say una no go stop for one. As una don't get, way don't open for una. Una go begin they buy more. God go let una, eh? I no go pray when I use that jet fly and from there go meet Baba God. Una go fly and wet, una go get brain, begin to sell those private jets. They do schools for poor people. Now waiting we need for that country. Everybody now, Nigerians don't run, leave their country because of poverty. Somebody go sick, 5,000, you no get money, go die. See one woman now for Benin, this woman get kidney problem. Belle swell up like say she get belle. She dey look for how much with the money? 15 million to travel go abroad. And people there, may they get private jets, worth billions. What is the wrong with all these pastors? And all these people, may they call social media, they beg for internet because of their problem, may they get, may pursue them, come internet, they beg. They are all Christians. Christians then get problem pass. Muslims, what even consign them, say they get problem, but you don't go even see them for social media. We, these fools, will go on social media, they beg. Our pastors will not go meet them. Pastor, when they even give you the money, safe, may you don't beg for social media. You go come out tithes. Tithes. You go come out tithes inside the money, still give to your pastor. From the beg, may you beg for social media. You guys are fools. We Christians, some of us, we are fools. Now go say Muslims no get sense. They get sense, personal. Muslims go cook food, keep, everybody go come eat for there for free. Sadaka, it dey rampart for Muslim area. Christians, even if you go church, self, go do how many days for church, you go carry money, go. Your pastor no go cook food. They go say they get program, they get retreat, they camp for church. They know they cook, give them. Only deeper life. Now I know say when you go for retreat, they go cook, give you. All the old church, you go for retreat, nothing like the cook give you. Everything for pastor na free. Pastor, they collect every free of charge. Everything for pastor na plus. The members na minus for there. Only prayer they go give una. Una they so foolish, Nigeria Christians. Una be foolish people. Una they buy private jet for all of them here and there. Where poor people they your area they suffer. You don't get treatment. If they die, if they hungry, rain they beaten, no roof over his head. If they for prison, he don't get money to bail himself out. He go die for that process. Children, they die. Malaria, they kill people. Children, they orphans, no school. Then they suffer. Your pastor, they buy private jet. And you are happy. You are jubilating. You are congratulating them. Congratulations go cease from una life. I beg, I don't want to swear for anybody this morning. Make una forgive me. Na verse at the verse. All these things, I don't mean them.